Are you tired of using products that promise to grow your hair but don't deliver? Today, I'm revealing a powerful remedy made with just one simple ingredient that's proven to stimulate hair growth. And the best part, it's completely natural. Onions contain a high concentration of sulfur, which is the key building block of keratin. Keratin is a protein that makes up your hair, skin, and nails. Studies have shown that massaging onion juice into your scalp can help improve blood circulation, which can lead to thicker, stronger hair. But that's not all. Onions are also rich in antioxidants and other nutrients that can help combat oxidative stress and damage to your hair follicles. In fact, a 2002 study published in the Indian Journal of Dermatology, Venereology and Leprology found that applying onion juice to the scalp twice a week for 2 months resulted in significant hair growth and thickness. The participants in the study experienced an average increase of 40% in hair density after just 8 weeks of treatment. Now, let's take this remedy to the next level with a supercharged version that's even more effective. Not only does it incorporate the power of onion juice, but it also includes the stimulating power of rosemary oil and the nourishing benefits of avocado oil. This potent combination can help improve blood circulation to the scalp, reduce inflammation, and deeply hydrate your hair and scalp. To make this supercharged onion hair mask, simply combine 3 tablespoons of onion juice, 2 tablespoons of avocado oil, and 5 drops of rosemary oil in a small bowl. Mix well and apply the mixture to your scalp and hair. Leave it on for 30 to 60 minutes and rinse thoroughly with shampoo. For best results, use this mask once a week. If you want to supercharge your hair growth even further, try fermenting the onion juice. This involves letting the onion juice sit for several days, which allows beneficial bacteria to grow and produce acids that can help strengthen and thicken your hair. To do this, simply combine 1 to 2 cups of onion juice with 1 to 4 cups of water and 1 tablespoon of raw honey in a clean mason jar. Seal the jar and let it sit at room temperature for 72 hours. After 3 days, the mixture should be strained and applied to your hair and scalp. So, why wait? Give these remedies a try and unlock the secret to hair growth with onions. Whether you use the classic onion juice or the supercharged version, you're sure to see results. So don't wait another minute. Start your journey to luscious locks today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.